Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS ZenFone Zoom, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the system settings. Just tap on it, and then we have to scroll down to find the security. Let's tap. Then in this device administration, we've got unknown sources. So this is the option we're looking for. So let's simply tap on the the switcher. And here we've got a warning because basically you're doing it on your own responsibility. Third-party apps are not verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose and actually turn on this option wisely. So let's simply tap on OK, and right now the unknown sources option is on. You can of course remove previously granted permission just by tapping on the switcher again, and right now it is off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.